Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we shall learn about Heapify. But before learning this, what we have discussed in previous lecture videos, we shall see. Previously we have discussed about heap sorting, insertion, deletion and saw various examples. Now we shall move towards Heapify. Now why? What is the need of Heapify? The only reason is the time required. Doing any programming or any algorithm in a computer, a programmer or a software developer will always look in two things: how much space and how much time it requires to run or execute the program. जब आपके पास एक बाउल होगा, उसमें उस बाउल तक ही आप चीज भर सकते हो ना, उससे ज्यादा भरोगे तो वो ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा। और कोई भी काम करने के लिए कम टाइम और कम स्पेस में वो हो जाए, that people will like that. The time complexity for heap sorting was order of log n. Okay, order of log n. But the time complexity for the Heapify is order of n. हमको टाइम की बचत हो रही है यहाँ पे. So the less time will be required, less space will be required. So every software programmer will look towards Heapify method for sorting the heap. Before going deeply towards the algorithm of Heapify, we should first discuss some basic features of a complete binary tree. You know the length of the binary tree is log n. We have discussed it earlier. And if total number of elements in this binary tree is n, suppose here n is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 something. N is equal to 15. The total number of elements in this binary tree is 15. So the leaf nodes will be n by 2. What I mean by leaf nodes? The nodes belonging to the last column. The nodes belonging to this one, the last level. This is called the leaf nodes. So let us see. The total number of elements was 15. So the leaf nodes will be n by 2. Means 15 by 2. It is something 7.5. So how much we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8. Okay. We are not taking the values in points. Know how to see the leaf nodes from the number of elements. It is n by 2. And the length of the binary tree is log n. Now in a binary tree, how many leaf nodes are present? How you will calculate that? यहाँ पे तो 7 nodes है, तो आप easily देख के बोल सकते हो. But actually when you will perform a task in a computer, there will be so many of data. It will be millions and millions. So how to calculate? So we will know the number of nodes present here, means total number of elements in this binary tree. Now it is 7. So from this, how we can calculate the leaf nodes, and from where it will start and from where it will end, till where it will end. So the formula is n by 2 plus 1 to the nth element. So in this binary tree, there are 7 elements. So we have to calculate from where the leaf node starts. So n by 2 means 7 by 2 plus 1. It is 7 by 2, it is something 3.5. But we have to take the floor value, means the lowest value of this. It is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4. From 4th place, the leaf node starts. What is leaf nodes? The nodes which are at the last. Means उसके कोई और child nodes नहीं होंगे. Okay. This is called the leaf nodes. It starts, for this example, it starts from 4 till 7. Suppose इस 4 का एक child होता, तो number of leaves it will index to 8. तो अभी number of leaf nodes कहाँ से start हो रहे हैं? Let us calculate. Now this 7 will become 8. So it will 8 by 2 plus 1 till 8 element. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 plus 1, it is 5. See, from 5th to 8th element we are getting the leaf nodes. Why not 4? क्योंकि 4 का तो child हो गया ना 8 1 जो हमने add किया. So this way we can calculate the leaf nodes and from where how many leaf nodes are there. Whenever you learn new things, just make the notes of that, because it will help you while remembering it. Whenever you open that book, you see, okay, this is the statement. Oh, this statement means these things. So you will get and you can accumulate more knowledge there. Our principal used to say this. So let us move towards Hippie 5 method. In the we will follow max if again here. The top element should be the greatest one. In the what is difference between heap sort and Hippie 5? In heap sort, we were first inserting the element, then deleting the element to get a sorted heap. Here we will not insert, not delete, we will Hippie 5. So how does Hippie 5 works? First, look at this complete binary tree. All the elements are here. I have indexed them. I have taken an array H and all the elements are indexed. In Hippie 5, first of all, we have to look to the last leaf nodes. Okay, because हमको इनसे कोई मतलब नहीं है. These are the leaf nodes. We have nothing to deal with that. क्योंकि उनके descending में कोई child नहीं है, तो उससे हमको कोई मतलब नहीं है. So first of all, we will look at the leaf nodes. We have to do nothing with that leaf nodes. So look to the first parent here, 15, 18, 20. Just follow the maxif property. 15 is less than this child, so swap, because parent should be greater than the child. So 15 को हमने यहाँ पे swap कर दिया. So after that we are getting like this nodes. तो ये हमने sort कर लिया. Now look to the another one. Here we are having 30, 12 and 40. Compare the child, since the parent is not the greater, child is greater, so 40 is greater. So again we will follow maxif property and swap this. Now this will become 40 and this will become 30. This will become 40 and this will become 30. After comparing both the sides, now we will look to the first element, that is the indexed one, ith position. It is 2. Compare with its child 40 and 20. They both are greater than the parent. So maxif property says parent should be greater. So compare the child 40 and 20, which is greater? 40 is greater. So 40 will get swapped with the parent 2. After looking to this binary tree, what do you think? क्या ये complete binary tree follow और maxif की property follow कर रहा है? It is a complete binary tree, but not the maxif. Since the parent 2 here is not the greatest one, because the child of this 2, they are greater. So we will compare its child again, 30 and 12. 30 is greater, so 30 will get swapped with 2. So 30 will get swapped with 2. We have to do the index wise. So this procedure is called Hippie 5 and it requires only order of n times, because हमने leaf node में कोई changes नहीं कर रहे थे starting में. We directly step towards the parent one. Look at this binary tree. There are 15 elements in this tree. So let the last leaf node represent the n. Suppose there are n. So their parents will be n by 2. Means 15 by 2, it is 7 point. So we will take 7. So 7 parents are there for the last node. And for this level, their parents will be n by 2 the whole square. So 15 by 2 square means it is 4. It will come some 3 points. So there are 3 parents are there for the next level. Like this, the parents and leaf relation is been defined, and the length we are calculating of the binary tree is log n. This way we are calculating the length of the binary tree. Now let us move towards the algorithm of the Hippie 5. We are declaring a function max ep5 a, that is the array which we will define a as array, and the number of elements, and I a variable. Okay, so int largest is equal to I, so we are denoting the largest element as I. And int left, you know the formula for the left child. For the left child it is 2 into I, for the right child it is 2 into I plus 1. This way we are declaring all the relation. So first of all we will take the while loop, while left child is less than equal to n. While left is less than equal to n, अभी n यहाँ पे 7 है और लेफ्ट चाइल्ड हमेशा उससे द लास्ट नोड जो लिया है उससे छोटा ही होना चाहिए. सपोज अगर 5th पोजीशन पे आई है तो इसका लेफ्ट क्या होगा, 2 इंटू आई इज 2 इंटू 5 10, पर यहाँ पे लास्ट नोड एंड्स एट 7, 10 है ही नहीं. सो वी आर डिक्लेयरिंग इट एज लेफ्ट शुड बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू n, एंड द एलिमेंट इन द लेफ्ट if it is largest, and if the element of the left child is greater than its parent, then we will declare largest equal to L. Suppose now largest is at 15, so अगर left largest रहा तो फिर left को हम लोग largest denote कर देंगे, नहीं तो we'll come back and see the another loop, that is while loop. Now while we will look at the right child. अगर right यहाँ पे भी सेम कंडीशन होगा, right child should be less than equal to n, n नंबर से छोटे होने चाहिए, और अगर right child ज्यादा ग्रेटर होगा तो we will again declare right as the largest one. Okay, now see the if condition. If largest is not equal to I, अगर जो अभी I पे पोजीशन है, जैसे कि अभी I पे क्या था, 15 is at I position. now we are looking to this loop only. 15th पे I है, अगर वो not equal to, अगर वो largest नहीं रहा तो we will swap the left or the right one, जो भी largest रहा होगा. In this case 25 is largest, so 25 will be get swapped, and we are calling a function here ep5 a. We will declare the new array, the number of index, and the largest one will be point here, and we will end all the loop here. Look here once again, we are declaring a function max ep5 a array a and the number of index and I a variable. We are declaring the largest element as I. स्टार्टिंग में हम लार्जेस्ट को आई डिनोट करेंगे, सो वी विल फर्स्ट लुक द लीफ नोड्स. लीफ नोड से कोई मतलब नहीं, वी विल गो टू द पेरेंट नाउ. सो नाउ आवर आई इज 15, at third position our I is there. Okay, now this is the largest. Largest is equal to I. 15 is equal to I is equal to largest. Okay, फिर उसका लेफ्ट चाइल्ड क्या हुआ 2 इंटू आई, और राइट चाइल्ड क्या हुआ 2 इंटू आई प्लस 1. This all thing we know. So the first while loop, while the left child is less than equal to n, ये आपको बता दिया कि n से छोटा होना चाहिए, and the element in this a means, अब इसमें लेफ्ट में क्या हुआ है 25 है, वो अगर बड़ा रहेगा तो हम लोग उसको लार्जेस्ट डिक्लेयर करेंगे. तो अभी ये आई जो लार्जेस्ट था वो हटके ये लेफ्ट लार्जेस्ट हो जाएगा, लार्जेस्ट इज इक्वल टू एल हो जाएगा. इफ नॉट दिस वी विल लुक टू द राइट साइड. राइट साइड में देखेंगे वहाँ पे भी सेम कंडीशन, आर इज लेस देन एन, एंड ए ऑफ आर अगर इसके एलिमेंट आई से बड़े होंगे तो दिस विल डिनोट एज लार्जेस्ट. लार्जेस्ट इज इक्वल टू आर. अगर now we will go to the if statement. If now the largest, initially largest was I, अगर I is not equal to largest, then we will swap the largest element from the left or right child. जो भी इस दोनों conditions को satisfy करेगा तो वो if statement में आएगा. ठीक है, और जो नया हम लोग फंक्शन कॉल कर रहे हैं heapy5 a n एंड द लार्जेस्ट। अब यहाँ पे जो चेंजेस होके आएगा वो लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट यहाँ पे डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा, जो भी यहाँ पे चेंज होगा, जो नया एरे बनेगा। गॉट इट? नाउ after this condition, after swapping, the function will not call heapy5 here because it will not go here. We can use this method in the heap sorting, but you know heap sorting requires two things, building and creating. So we can call this heapy5 function in the another algorithm for the heap sort which we are writing. So look to the heap sort algorithm. Heap sort a number of n a the array and the n the number of element. We are taking a for loop I is equal to n by 2. You know heapy5 is done with this one parent n by 2 position, not the nth position, क्योंकि लीफ नोड से कोई मतलब नहीं. We will go ahead to n by 2. n by 2. So we are declaring it I n by 2. I is greater than equal to 1. इंडेक्स 1 से बड़ा है ये, 1 तो रह नहीं सकता. I माइनस माइनस. इसके बाद हम लोग इसके बाद इधर आएंगे, इस तरफ आएंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट पोस्ट पे जाएंगे, तो एक एक आई इंडेक्स माइनस होता जा रहा है. देन मैक्स heapy5 a n I एरे नंबर ऑफ इंडेक्स और आई जो भी उस टाइम पे रहा होगा, लेट इट बी दिस और दिस. ओके, so this way we will create a max heap here, and after that we will delete, because heap sort means create करो delete करो तो अपने आप वो sort हो जाएगा. तो for I is equal to n, you know deleting is always done from the last element. So I is equal to n, I is greater than equal to 1, I minus minus, एक एक माइनस होते जाएगा. So we will swap a of 1. अब देखो जो लास्ट एलिमेंट कहाँ जाएगा, जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट डिलीट होगा वहीं पे लास्ट एलिमेंट जाएगा. डिलीटिंग मेथड याद है, जो फर्स्ट रूट नोड डिलीट होगा a ऑफ i जो स्टार्टिंग में है वहीं पे जाएगा ना a ऑफ 1. सो ये स्वैपिंग हो जाएगा. सो मैक्स हेप यहाँ पे a n और 1 को कॉल कर रहे हैं हम लोग, 1 वाला डिलीट हो जाएगा. तो वो एरे में डिलीटेड 1 रहेगा, तो सॉर्टेड एरे वी विल गेट. देन वी आर closing the heap, and this way we can do the heapify method, and it will require the time of complexity of order of n, which is much more lesser than the heap sorting that we done previously. So what is priority queue? जो definition है इसके you will be given in the description, you can read it from there, the exact definition of priority queue. Priority queue is an abstract data type, ADT, and that operates similar to a normal queue, except इसमें each element has certain priority, and the priority of that element in the priority queue determines the order in which the elements are get removed from the top or get deleted. Suppose in minimum heap, smaller element gets the higher priority. Minimum heap में जो एलिमेंट सबसे ज्यादा छोटे रहेंगे they will get the much priority. You know, suppose 1 है तो हम लोग priority 1 को देंगे, 1 will get swapped there. In max heap, larger element will get higher priority. If it is 11, then 11 will get swapped there. So this is something about priority queue. So here we end with this lecture notes. See to this some animated videos, you will get a clear cut idea about heapy5.